We'll show you the Revolution 6.0. This is a 6,000 watt electric bike capable of going over 65 miles per hour. It's got a lot of extra custom features, very high end. Starting with the front fork, it's got a RockShox Boxer World Cup fork, 200 millimeter travel, which is about 8 inches. For the brakes, it comes equipped standard with the Magura MT7 dual piston hydraulic disc brakes. They are 203 millimeter with front and rear. Kenda Navalgol 2.7 inch tires. Got a race face handlebar setup with a 20 millimeter rise. Got the ESI custom soft grip hand grips. There's a shot of the Magura MT7 brake levers. Cycle Analyst computer. Basically, you can turn the bike on with a key to power it up, and then this is your charging port that's built in. You can see also is equipped with a 3-way switch. The switch is designed to go from a 20 miles an hour legal speed to a half power to a full power position where you have basically maximum speed. XO shifter, XO derailleur, also high end from SRAM. Half twist throttle. Does have the ESI soft grip hand grips. Of course, you could see the carbon fiber outer metal panel. It's based on HPC's custom design. This bike is also equipped with a Schlumpf drive. And the Schlumpf drive is a internal gear system. We'll flip the bike around and show you the crankset side. But it allows you to pedal this bike at 50 miles an hour and propel yourself under your own power. Here we've got the Vivid Air R2C RockShox rear shock, also very high end. Now this is High Powered Cycles, HPC's custom built frames for their full electric bike. This has got the new 6,000 watt Crown motor. These are exclusive only through HPC. There's an MT7 Magura brake. You can see how everything has just been built and run through the swing arm. There's no wires. I mean, this thing is professionally custom built Revolution. And this is the Revolution X 6.0. So this is the top of the line that you can purchase for your standard 3 models. And a WPT contour seat and a race face seat post. Very, very fast bike, 65 miles an hour. This thing's made for off-road use. Also, this bike here, you can see the controller setup. They come with now the new sine wave controller technology. That sine wave controller is really phenomenal when it comes to speed and response time to the throttle and the smoothness of the motor. A brand new technology out there now available and standard on the Revolution. Let's flip the bike around so we can show you the other side. All right, here's the crankset side. So we can go ahead and zoom in on this Schlumpf drive. This thing has this internal gear here that you push in to change gears. It'll go from a 34 tooth to an 85 tooth internal gear sprocket. It's got the SRAM XO rear derailleur with a 10-speed freewheel in the back. And there's a shot of that vented Super Crown motor. High-end Thunderbolt. They are, each one is serial numbered from HPC. The serial number right there. And a couple of other angles of this bike here. Really like these Navalgols too. Pro Edition. World Cup Boxer front fork. The Vivid Air RockShox rear. Really, really nice what HPC has done in building and custom making this. This has gone through a number of revisions. So this is the 4th edition now, and the 4th edition is kind of their final edition in their build. They've kind of fine-tuned this thing over the last 2.5 years. So this thing is just made perfectly. From swing arm to all the internal components on that frame. If you're interested in the Revolution X 6.0 or any of the Revolutions on our line,